8:26 a.m., a security camera captured something chilling. Inside this room, a little kid and his dog were fast asleep, but the cat was still awake, sitting up staring at a mirror. The room was completely silent. Then the footage shows something unexplainable. As the cat slowly looked back toward the sleeping child, the reflection stayed behind, still staring at the kid. Seconds passed. Nothing moved. Then the reflection noticed something else. It turned and stared straight into the camera. What happened next will shock you. I'll show you, but first, if you believe moments like this mean nothing, scroll now. But if you believe God's protection watches over the innocent, stay and prove it. Subscribe, share this evidence, and comment "God protect us." Look, the reflection glued its eye on the camera. A camera glitch or something unexplainable caught watching? You decide.